Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's evolve. So in today's video we will learn about removing this divided by zero error in Excel. When we put the values in a sheet, it shows up some value, but if the values are not available, it shows as a error. So for removing this error, we are having a very simple function that is equal to if error. Now it is asking what is the value that we want to show no error. So for this, as my simple formula that I will use, my total defect quantity divided by the production quantity into 100, bracket close, comma. Now if the value is error, like as it is saying here, that divided by 0, if there is no value present, it will be shown as divided by 0. So what I want it to say, if there is nothing present, then display me as 0 and close the bracket. Now it is showing 0. Now as I drag it here, you can see my error is now removed. Now when I will put the formula or some values, only at that time it will show me that particular value. Let's see if the production quantity is 5000 and number of rejected parts are this. And now as you can see, if we are putting the formula now, well, sorry, when we are putting the values now, it is showing as 0.32. So I hope you find this useful. If you have any problem regarding using this function, you can comment me in the comment section below, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you.